Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, I'm so sorry that I have been out for about 3 or 4 weeks. I have been extremely busy with things, but today I wanted to come on here and I wanted to try out, this is the NYX, the Lingerie XXL. This is the liquid lipstick. So I wanted to show you my 3 favorite colors. This color is, it's hotter. Then we have Flaunt It, and then our last one is Expose Me. Now, just by like looking at them in their containers, I did try these on a couple of times, and you guys are going to see that I did a wear test. So it was actually 2 days that I went traveling, and then I was actually just like a day where I was just doing errands and everything. I put these liquid lipsticks on, and when you buy them, you're gonna see that the color does not look like the packaging. So you gotta just honestly really just try them out. So those of you guys that don't know who I am, hello, my name is Melissa. I am a creator, I'm an educator, I'm an entrepreneur, and I love makeup. Like literally, makeup is one of my hobbies, and I love just creating with it, and I love just buying new products and trying them out. And that's one of the reasons why I started this channel. I just wanted to do makeup looks, and I just wanted to review products and just show you who I am. So if you guys like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and like, and let's get on to the reviews. Okay, our first color is going to be called Flaunt It, and so we do have like a lot of product in this container. As you guys can see, it's a big container, and this is how the applicator looks. So guys, I have always been such a great NYX makeup lover. I honestly think one of my first products that I ever bought was the NYX. It was the white eye pencil. And really, like, they're a good price, and they have amazing products. So you guys are going to see my review of this. Okay, so we're going to try on Flaunt It. So on my lips, I don't have any product on them whatsoever. I don't even have chapstick, no lip balm, nothing. Okay, so here we go. Now, I'm not going to put my lips together, so drawing this on your lips is, it's okay with this applicator. Not bad. Now with liquid lipsticks, you don't want to just like smack your lips together, because I just want to make sure I'm properly putting it on the top lip and the bottom lip. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it the other way and put the product on what's remaining. Okay, so this is how the color looks as soon as you put it on. I'm going to just go like this. And now my review. Definitely matte, but my lips are moisturized. Okay, so I'm not going to put any other product on. I'm going to just actually let this sit, because let's see if this color actually changes. Like if it oxidizes or it like stabilizes. Let's see if the color changes on our lips after 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to let this dry. It might oxidize. It might just look a little bit different when it dries. So let's find out. Alright guys, so I just want to show you, as soon as this liquid lipstick, as soon as it starts drying, the lip color actually looks darker. So if you guys go back like 1 minute before, you're going to see that it was a little bit lighter, and then when it dries out, it gets darker. Not like a big difference, but again, you're going to notice that the color is a little bit darker. So right now, my lips, they don't feel dry, but they don't feel moisturized. So I'll be honest with you guys. I thought that it was okay that if I didn't put any lip balm or any gloss on top of this throughout the day, I was fine, but I just feel that I was just a little bit more comfortable with a lip balm or a lip gloss on top of this. So you're going to see how long this lip color stays on. So this is how Flaunt It looks when it's dried out. Okay, it's got a very, very pretty nude, and it has that nice pink to it, but again, it's like a darker pink. Hey guys, so you can actually literally spend a day with me and I will show you how this lip color, how this lip brand, how this actually stays on my lips the entire day. So right now it is 2:19 and I just applied this lip color about a half an hour ago. So I just stopped at my location, and again, it's 2:19 and I'm going to show you guys how this looks for the entire day. Right now, my lips feel moisturized. I didn't put any, what is it, rosebud salve or lip gloss over this, so it feels matte, but like it's not like that dry matte. So I really, really like this color a lot. And yeah, so let's see how this stays on the entire day. So we are actually going to go on a road trip. So let's see. Okay guys, so it is 5:23 and as you can see, the lipstick is still on my lips. Right now, it still feels matte. It's a little dry, but it's okay. So it's hey guys, so it is now 7:30 and I'm still on this road trip. And as you guys can see, I have been talking and eating and it's still on. All right, now as you guys can see, my lips actually look really, really swollen. So I literally had to like scrub these twice to get this liquid lipstick off. Okay, so as I'm gonna show you again, you're gonna see throughout the day, like the hours of how my lips looked. So when you put this on, you're gonna see that this liquid lipstick does not come off. I did not put any moisturizer before, and I also did not put any lip gloss on for those days that I recorded. Now, right now, as you guys can see, I cleansed twice with the cleansing balm, okay? And when you guys see when this comes off, right over here, like the inner parts of my lips, that was a lot harder to come off. So, it took a while, like literally took about 10 minutes. Okay, so our next color that we are going to be trying out is Expose Me, and this is actually my favorite out of like the entire bunch. So here again, this is how the color looks on the container. Okay, I'm going to put a lot on the brush. Here it is. Okay, and let's try it. Now, if you guys are looking for a liquid lipstick that matches almost your lip color, this is definitely the color. This is it. I'm going to put on a second application with this one. So this goes on very, very smoothly and it dries so fast. This is right after the application, and let's see again how this changes after it's dried. All right, so guys, this is after 10 minutes, okay? Still again, my lips don't feel super dry, but you know, they don't feel glossy. So as you guys can see, the color didn't really change that much. It didn't get as dark as the other one before it. So this one I feel stays true to the color. Okay, honestly guys, this one is my favorite color. The next one is going to be called It's Hotter. So this one's a darker lip shade. So let's see how it looks. Okay, like 15 minutes later, after I had to like take this liquid lipstick off. You know what's so funny, guys? I don't think I've ever recorded a lipstick swatch on here. And I guess like, you know, showing you guys lip colors, that would have been easier than doing this. Like I had to pick like the hardest liquid lipstick to take off. So guys, you know I love you for doing this. So the Expose Me color is actually my favorite color out of the whole NYX Lingerie XXL liquid lipstick line. Seriously, really, it was the first one that I purchased, and then I went back 2 weeks after, and then I got the other ones. But honestly, guys, really, this hands down was my favorite color. All right, we are gonna try the last one. This one's called It's Hotter. Okay, here we go. Imagine if I had to try out like all, I think there's like 20 of them. I don't think my lips would survive this. Okay, so here we go. So this one's definitely darker than the rest of them. That's why I saved this one for last. So that's how it looks. So I'm going to just zoom in real quick. So here is the true lip color as soon as it goes on. Now, as you guys can see, it feels moisturized, and you're going to see that you can see my lines on my lips just a tiny bit, but you're going to see when it dries, you're going to see it more. Okay, so here we have it. So this is the It's Hotter lip color. Sorry guys, I'm burping. So here we have the It's Hotter lip color. Let's see if it gets a little bit darker. Okay guys, so this is 10 minutes later, and you can see that the color, it just went just a slight tad darker. So honestly, I think the only color that changed, that either oxidized or when it dried out, that changed, I feel like significantly, was the Flaunt It. Okay, so I've tried this, and again guys, this does not come off. Now when it dries, you guys can see again, you guys can see more of my lines on my lips. Okay, but again, that's not a problem. So right now I'm going to just put a lip balm on top. It's okay if you don't put gloss on top, but I just felt a little uncomfortable during the day, so you're going to see I'm going to just put a little bit of lip balm, and that's it. It's fine. So honestly guys, I would just put a clear lip balm on top, and you guys are all set. So honestly guys, if you're in Ulta or if you're online on NYX, favorite lip colors, is It's Hotter. Then we have Flaunt It. And again, my favorite out of the entire collection is Expose Me. Definitely. All right, guys, I would definitely purchase these. I believe I paid $9 for them. You know, they're not like cheap, like $4, but again, you're buying a lot of product. So guys, again, these are sold at Ulta. The last time I checked, they're going viral on TikTok, so hopefully you guys can get a hand on these. But again, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, and I will have more content for you. All right, guys, I hope everyone is doing well, and mwah, bye.